Hi law students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, our focus is on CLAT versus SLAT versus Law CT 5-year exam, focusing on the format of the exam and especially the colleges accepting these scores. So kindly keep watching. All right, let's begin with the CLAT exam. This is the format of the CLAT exam. Okay, the exam is called Common Law Admission Test. Mode offline, 2 hours. Okay, questions 120. So 120 questions for 120 minutes. Marking scheme is +1 and minus 0.25 for correct and incorrect respectively, and 0 for unattempted. Then this is the sections. English language 22 to 26, 20%. Current affairs 25%, legal reasoning 25%, logical reasoning 20%, and quantitative 10%. Okay, now the college is accepting the CLAT score. Okay, there are 26 official NLUs that accept the score of CLAT. Okay, this is all sourced from the official consortium website. Okay, 26 institutions accepting the CLAT score, as you can see, are these. Now, these are not ranked because the ranks, they keep changing and they're quite debatable in different websites. You will find different ranking, but these are the institutions you can prefer. You can prefer to choose whatever institution you want to go to as per that particular year's rankings, or the proximity of that institution, or the fees, or the faculty, the facilities. Okay, multiple factors you can consider and then choose the institution accordingly. Okay, these are the top 26 that you can consider once your score is out. Then moving on to the Symbiosis Law Admission Test, which is called the SLAT exam. Okay, the SLAT exam is online exam. Okay, so this is going to be a computer based test, although you will have to come to a center and give the test. You can't be giving it from your homes. So this is going to be an online computer based test, but will be given from one common center. Okay, this is for BLLB, BBLLB admission at the Symbiosis Law Schools of in different cities. Okay, 60 questions in 60 minutes. So that is what the marking is. There's no negative marking in the SLAT paper. 5 sections, okay, 12 questions each for 12 marks. LR, legal reasoning, analytical reasoning, RC, and general knowledge. Okay, selection process, SLAT score, scale to 70 plus 70 plus PI weightage of 30, 100 for total final merit. So, सिर्फ स्लैट से बात नहीं बनेगी, स्लैट अगर निकल जाए तो PI भी होगा. But for now, focus on the exam. Okay. Once the exam is cleared, then you can focus on PI because you get around a week for the preparation. Okay. And then you can always join Targu Shastra's course for PI preparation, where we provide a lot of offline and online preparation material for PI process. Now, the colleges accepting the SLAT score are obviously going to be the Symbiosis colleges, because this is a Symbiosis exclusive exam. So, there's SLS Pune, SLS Noida, SLS Hyderabad, and SLS Nagpur. You can choose your preference as per the ranking of that particular year, or fees, or proximity, or whatever specialty you're looking for, and their preference and their rankings in that particular specialty. There's multiple factors one needs to consider when choosing a college. Then coming to the last last exam, that is the CET 5-year LLB exam. So the MHCET 5-year LLB exam is conducted by the Maharashtra State CET cell. So obviously, the admission that you will be getting is going to be only exclusively in the state CET cell. The score that will be accepted will be by the institutions of Maharashtra. This is going to be 120 questions for 120 marks. This is very similar to the CLAT paper in the terms of marking, but there's no negative marking. Okay, now the sections are legal aptitude and legal reasoning, 32 marks, GK current affairs 24 marks, LR and analytical reasoning for 32 marks, English for 24, and mathematics for 8 marks. This was revised only last year. Okay, so this is as per the last revision of the CET 5 or LLB paper pattern. Now, there are a lot of institutions in Maharashtra that have that teach law as a subject, and therefore a lot of institutions take the 5-year LLB score. Again, these are not ranked. Okay, so these are just arbitrarily placed, but these are all listed right here, and they've been separated as per government colleges and private colleges. Now, the priority usually students aim for is GLC Mumbai, okay, because this is a fully government college and it's also located near the High Court, so ideal for internships. But there's also so many other institutions located all across Maharashtra. Again, you can prefer your institution or change your institutions as per the proximity from your house, your place, or whatever specialty they offer. Okay, then these are all the private colleges that accept the CET 5-year LLB score. As you can see, there's ILS also here. ILS is not fully government college. ILS is funded by government, so it is not entirely private also, but it is also funded. It's aided by government. So that is why this it technically comes under the list of private colleges. Okay, along with that, there's DY Patil, which is also another famous, and then this endless number of colleges that you can look out for. SIMISIS is also located in Maharashtra, but the SLAT score is not accepted in these institutions except for the 5-year LLB CT score. All right. So these were the list of colleges and the details of the relevant exam. Okay. So first focus on the preparation. Once your score comes out, we will put out another video guiding you through the cap round process. You can prioritize, you can change your preferences then. For now, focus on colleges, focus on your exam, focus on your preparation, and kindly subscribe to the channel for any other relevant videos for facilitating better preparation for the exam. That is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.